Sunil Srivastava, Managing Director of Barcel. Hailing from India, we are one of the pioneering ISO certified railway consulting firms, part of the global rail industry. Over these years, we've done 800 plus projects for clients in about 20 countries. Our strength comes from our in-depth knowledge of the railway system and the very fact that we have global expertise, both individuals as well as institutional expertise, to offer truly path-breaking and innovative solutions for any railway-related problems globally. Over the years, Barcel has consistently been investing in people by setting up a right team, selecting the right people, providing them adequate training, as well as sourcing their best resources globally to ensure that we deliver successful and innovative as well as quality projects globally. Join us on this journey towards innovation, efficiency and success. And let us show you why we are one of the finest consultants preferred globally by clients to offer innovative solutions. Thank you.